Menu secrets from our kitchen. Quick and easy menu application ideas from Upper Crust Enterprises. Add your own creative twist to develop a signature item only available in your restaurant. Remember, only Upper Crust Enterprises' authentic Japanese panko with its unique, light and airy sliver-shaped crumb works best for these recipes. If you try these recipes with the competitors, the results will be disappointing. Fish tacos. The coating is light and crispy. It holds up to sauces and will stay crispy even for takeout. This recipe is easy to prepare and you can use any good quality local fish. Start by cutting a firm white fish into 1-ounce portions. I'm using Pacific cod for this recipe. Set up 3 stations: dry tempura batter mix, wet tempura batter mix, and panko breadcrumbs. The prepared tempura batter mix is blended with ice-cold beer for a unique flavor, which really complements fish. Lightly mix the batter. The consistency should be like a thin pancake batter. We are now ready to start. First, dust fish in dry tempura mix, then dip in prepared batter, and finally roll in panko, lightly pressing the panko into the batter. The total coating pickup will be about 25 to 30%. To save on time and labor, pre-stage the coated fish and store in the refrigerator. Notice I have 2 size fish I coated together. The square coated fish will be for a fish sandwich in another recipe. Deep fry until golden brown. Add shredded cabbage, salsa, and fold into a warm tortilla. Either use a flour or corn tortilla depending on your customer's preference. You can easily customize this recipe by adding local flavors like hot spices or Parmesan cheese. Create a flavor all your own. The food cost for this menu item is approximately 81 cents per portion, which is a great value for lunch or dinner. Why is Upper Crust Panko so good? Because we care. We are family owned and have been making authentic Japanese panko for over 30 years. We use high protein wheat flour and take our time following traditional Japanese methods to create an authentic Japanese panko with a light, airy texture and sliver shape. You can see and taste the difference. A good quality panko will provide your customers with a delicate, crispy taste, ideal for so many menu items. Upper Crust Panko is so versatile, once you start using it in your kitchen, you will find so many applications to surprise your patrons. Visit our recipe section on our website for more ideas. For additional product information and helpful tips, please go to our website at www.uppercrustent.com. Experience the flavor of life to its fullest, and thank you for your time.